demo on how to register for support groups and access the Zoom link to join. So the first step you'll want to take is to find which support group you want to attend. You can do that two ways. You can do it, one, by clicking the Find the Support Group option here, or by going up here to Support Groups and clicking this button. So I'll click that up there, and then you're taken to this page. And this is the jumping off point so that you can access all of our support groups. You can see a video that talks more about support groups, and then down here you can see our different offerings. So here you have support for loved ones, families, and caregivers. This is for folks that love and take care of folks living with mental health conditions. And then down here we have support for individuals living with mental health condition. This is self-explanatory. And then down here we have support groups for Black, Indigenous, and people of color. For the purposes of this video, I'll just go to these support groups for individuals living with a mental health condition, and I'll click Find a Group. And then I am taken to this screen. And in this screen, and this is the same across those different categories, you can scroll down to see the different support groups, when they meet, and you have the option to register using this button. The ones in blue are ones that are hosted by NAMI San Francisco and ones that follow a NAMI model. The ones below in green are our affiliate groups. So these are groups that we partner with other organizations with, and they don't necessarily use the NAMI model. And some of these you also don't register for in the same way. You will just email the address provided down here. And even for this one, there's a number that you can text. But for today, I'm just going to show you how to register for the NAMI groups. So for example, let's try this peer support group. This is for all adults living with a mental health condition, and it meets Tuesdays. You can see, that's the date on Zoom. So first you'll click register, and that takes you to a new screen with a form. And you will fill out your email address. So my email address is simoneb@namisf.org. This question is optional, but I'm white, so I'll write white there. You could also add, really, this is your question to run with, or it's optional. My first name is Simone. Emergency contact, I would give my mom, and I won't put her information in this video, but this is all confidential and only used in the case of an emergency. And then how did I find out about this group? I'll say other and write not applicable because I know about this support group because I work at NAMI. For you filling out this group, it's really helpful for us to know where you heard about it, so you can just choose any of these options. And then I'll click submit. And after I click submit, I can see here the Zoom link. So there's a couple ways to approach this. I find it helpful to just copy and paste this Zoom link, and you do that by highlighting it and then right-clicking or clicking Control and then click, and then you can write copy link and then paste it somewhere safe. So that could be in a document that you refer to. I use a notes document, and that's really your choice. If you don't have a convenient place to save this, no worries. You will get email reminders now that you've filled out this form. So let me show you now what the email reminder looks like. And for the NAMI support groups, you will receive this on the morning of each group. So for the general group, you can see here, this is the link you get, or this is the, sorry, not the link, the email. And within that email, we've got the link right here. And so when it's time, so Tuesday at 6 p.m., I'll click here and that will open the Zoom meeting. Or if I don't have access to video or a computer, I can always call this number and then enter in this ID number, and I'll be able to access the group. You can also see we've got some more details on exactly how the group goes. And these will be sent out every week unless you decide to unsubscribe. And you are welcome to unsubscribe at any point. You can do that by just replying to this email and then typing in unsubscribe, or you can just say stop and then sending that And then after you've done that, we'll remove you from the email reminder list. Thanks so much for watching this video. We hope to see you in our support groups soon.